Good morning, good morning. Here we are once again. Now, today, we're going to try something fun.
And something new.
And something new. Okay, here, put the stickers down.
It's a polish.
It's a polish. So,
New polish.
this is called Uno Advanced.
Uno Advanced?
Yeah, so we're going to try this out today. We're going to get your machine with your Orange Lake Country pad. We're going to take it. We're going to clean the pad out. Make sure it's nice and clean. Nice and clean, right? We use you like your claw brush?
Is this a claw?
Mm-hmm. So, we put this back for now. And then we are going to take this and we're going to practice on the Lexus. Don't open it yet. We're going to wipe the car down first, just with a wireless wash. We're going to try the Pro G.
That's just a little dangerous.
Ceramic wireless wash quick detailer, just to clean off a nice spot on the vehicle, right? And then we're going to give a quick polish and see how it turns out. So we'll be back in a few.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I like you.
Forth. Now flip it over to the other side of the towel. Back and forth, remember. What do you think? Touch it where it's dirty. Is that rough? Now touch it where it's dirty. We just went outside and polished a little bit of the car and did some test spots, right? And what do we use? What is this called?
Polish.
What polish? It's called Uno Advanced from Rupes.
Uno is in Spanish by one.
Yes. So it's a one step, right? So that means it's a standalone protection and polish. So you don't have to do two steps. It's for jobs you're trying to do real quick and easy. Things that don't need too much work, right? So what we found out was it didn't take out really deep scratches, right? But it gave a really nice gloss, and it seems like it has good protection. It was very smooth, right? Super smooth. So we were happy there. Advanced.
It's just a little gloss.
A little bit of gloss or a lot of gloss?
A little bit.
A little bit. But did you like it? Do you like this polish? Do you think people should go get this polish? They should go try it? Do you think it's one of your favorites? Which one is your favorite?
Three of these.
Oh, so you like multiple ones. So you're still a Beasley's girl, but you like this one now too? That's good. That's very good. You should always try different products and see what else there is out there. But our recommendation is go give this a try if you're looking for a beautiful one step. This definitely is a step up from Uno Protect, which was their last iteration of this. Very happy here. It says it has 1 year worth of protection. I don't know if that's true or not, but from what I find and what we just tested, it works very nicely and we're very happy with what it does. So from us to you, go out and get it. Mia, what do you think? Tell them to go get it? All right. You guys go get it. We'll tell this real fast. The smell of this is kind of strong. It has a very petroleum-based smell to it. What did you think of it? Did you like the smell? She liked the smell. It is kind of strong, though. So just be cautious of that if you don't like very strong smelling products or anything like that. Also, let it haze up on the vehicle for about 15 minutes. Let it sit before you wipe the product off, buff it off or anything like that. But other than that, get to it. You guys have fun. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.